Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, by being said that, now let me show the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 30th of October. So now the time is almost around 9:13. So pre-open market is closed now. So we can check how the market is opening today. So yes, 30th October. So Nifty 50 is opening at 11,678.45 and it's just 0.07% up. Okay, just 7.65 points movement only. Okay, so advanced stocks are 35, declines are 14, and changes one stock. So let's say the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section, that is IOC with 2.04% up, Tata Motors with 0.99% up, and ONGC with 0.93% up. Let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap down section, that is in the downtrend. So Asian Paint with 0.69% down, Power Grid with 0.64% down, and HM Motor also with 0.64% down. So right now this is how the pre-open market is looking. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and we'll be doing a live trade on it. So stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I have selected Axis Bank to trade. Okay, not taken any entry yet. Once I take any entry, I'll update you guys. Okay, so let's see how the Axis Bank will perform. Right now the market is like 0.34% up. So looks like the market in a plus trend. We'll see. Once I take entry, I'll update you guys. Okay, so in just in few minutes I'll be taking the entry and I'll be telling you whether I'll be buying or selling the stock. I'm in a buy position of Axis Bank. I bought it around 498.60 somewhere, and I'm waiting for a target to achieve. So I'll be keeping like 0.5% target. Okay, so we'll be doing a safe trades and be keeping 0.5% target. So around 500 or 50, around 501 or 502, I'll be making my exit. So take an entry now. We'll see how this stock will perform. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, 500.35 is a high made as of now. And let me just quickly show you the Nifty 50 chart. The market, the market is going to the higher side. Okay, so this is 15 minutes candle chart, and even if I keep 5 minutes candle chart, as you can see, it is pushing, it is making its own higher highs now, and it's pushing up. So let's see the same analysis with the Axis Bank also. Yes, even that looks the same. Even the trend is higher on this, on a 5 minutes candle. On 15 minutes candle, it has got the high momentum. So 500.45 now is high what it has made by Axis Bank. So 499 is where I bought. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, Axis Bank has now touched 501.20. So in between, the stock went a bit down. If you guys can see here, it reached 500.45 as a high, and then the stock retraced a bit, and there was some support which will be there here. So that support, as I checked, it was there, and yes, from there the stock did take a support and rised up again, and 501.20 high what it has made right now. Okay, so still the stock is around 500.80. So as I said you guys, I bought it around 499. Okay, so 501 is high what it has made, so it's almost like 2 rupees here. So we'll see how it will perform still. And this is the Nifty 50 chart here. As you guys can see, these are the market looking today. The market is almost like 0.50% up. Okay, so even the market looks in upper trend right now. So let me see in a 5 minutes candle chart. So yes, it's at 11,726 now. So these are the Nifty 50 is looking in 5 minutes candle chart. So yes, lot of noises, but still continuing to go up, I guess. So 15 minutes candle chart again, and our Axis Bank here is now going to break its own high, I guess. 501.20 is a high what it has made right now. So 501, if you guys can see the market depth here, so there's a 1 lakh difference between the buyers and sellers. I mean, like, sellers are more but buyers have increased. Okay, it was like 6 lakh or 7 lakh of buyers and only like 10 lakh of sellers were there, but now the buyers are increasing. So that's where I saw the support level, and from that support level the buyers started to come in, and the stock pushed all the way up here. So there's a resistance around 501, I guess. So that's the reason why it is not moving that easily on 501. So once that breaks, the stock shall go up. $500.95. Even the sellers are increasing, if you guys can see in the market depth here. So it's 11 lakh now. So guys, as you can see, it is making its own higher rise, 501.50 as of now. So guys, yes, I managed to exit around 501.20 to 30. Okay, so as I was checking in the chat, there was a resistance there. So yes, as I thought, the resistance got hit and it came down. Okay, so now it is at a lower section now. So 492.95 is what it has made the low. And not only that, suddenly even the market trend got switched. Okay, so it turned to the downtrend as it was making lower lows. So if you guys can see in 15 minutes candle chart, suddenly the market trend changed. So that's why I'm exited there quickly around 501.30 somewhere. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the trade of Axis Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.